Hey friends, how's it going? Y'all, I've got a fun project tonight that I've been waiting for. And listen, I want to get one of the heat transfers out of here, but if you want to see everything else that's in the package, let me know. How are y'all doing? Oh my gosh. As you're hopping on, say hello. Let me know where you're watching from. I'm going to go ahead and open this. Don't y'all love opening packages? I know I do. I want to get your comments going. Hey, Paula. Hey, Marsha. Let me see. There we go. Hey, hey, hey. Okay. We're going to get the project done. And then in the comments, if y'all want to see everything else I got, let me know. I know I'm nosy. I like to see everything. Y'all, Barry's watching TV, but he had his... Barry. Oh my gosh. I don't want Facebook to drop this live. You can hear them online. Hey, did y'all know that if you have music or something in the background of a live, Facebook can get rid of it? Hey, Tracy. Hey, Sandy. Okay. Y'all, I'm doing my favorite one. And I'm like, please be in here. Please be in here. Oh, and look, I got some of our heat transfer totes also. Guess what? These are great for Christmas gifts. Okay. Well, there's not much in there. And y'all, our heat transfers come 2 to a package. Let me find the one I'm going to use. Right here. And this one's called His Grace. So if you want the supplies or you want to see everything we got on sale right now, we're having like 12 days of Christmas. We've got items that are 50% off. You can join as a Perks member for $1 and then get 30% off your order, even the sale stuff. We've got today, you buy toothpaste for the price of one. So many things. So comment Grace if you want to see all that info. Hey, Maxine. Hey, Kayla. Let's see. Hey, is that Charlene? Yeah. Renee. Okay. Y'all, this is my absolute favorite. And I came on a little later tonight thinking that Jenny won't see this. Hopefully not. And, you know, when you put them on your shirt or your bag or whatever, it's turned around so you can see it like this. But you get 2 to a package. And these are brand new for our 12 days of Christmas. You get 2 for the price of 1. That's awesome. Oh, I hope you're having a great Saturday too. All right. My heat press is on 360 degrees for 60 seconds. Now, if you have an ironing board at home, use your ironing board. Hey, Bonda. But y'all, I'm going to use a towel. Only because I don't want to sweat on my countertop. Let's see. Yes, comment the word Grace and it'll send you. Let me see if I got this thing turned right. And look, I want to show y'all what's in the envelope because I thought I had ordered more, but you'll see. Okay, I didn't. And this is one of our heat transfer totes. Works great on this. Linda says she loves the heat transfers, and I do too. They are so fun and easy to use. And I've got several new surfaces that I'm going to be using. And I'm going to try something. I got a rug from Target Dollar Spot, and I'm going to try it too. Not tonight. We'll try it later. But I love these because you get two to a package. And y'all, this bag is so sturdy. I mean, it's like really thick fabric. It's awesome. You know what? Was I going to? Okay, look. Even if it goes through to the other side, I think we'll be fine. And I'm going to center this on here. I'm not going to use tape. Am I? I'm like, do I know where any tape is? Yes, it's going to send you the info. Well, look, y'all. Try to make sure my towel's straight. I'm going to line it up with the handles. Because you know when things are manufactured or whatever. And once you get it on here, you don't want to move it around. So what I'm probably going to do is do the top part. Hey, Stacy. And then do the bottom part. I'm going to do this. And now 360 for 60 degrees. And before I put it down, I'm going to make sure everything's straight. All right, and then I'm going to just apply pressure. I'm going to do, like I said, I'm applying pressure and I'm doing the bottom part first, then I'm going to move it up and do the top part. Hey, Muriel. Hey, Summer. How's everybody doing? Y'all, I'm doing good on some Christmas gifts, but on some other ones, I need to get busy. What about you guys? Hey, Lisa. And look, have you tried the heat transfers? Somebody else said they love them. I love them too. Whoops, was that 30 seconds? No, it wasn't. And I'm just applying pressure to hopefully get that color to pop everywhere. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Y'all, 60 seconds is a long time. If y'all have any questions, let me know. And now I'm going to move it up here. I think that's good. Did they come out with some everyday heat transfers? Just type the word Grace, Grace. We've got several new ones. And maybe you're thinking about the Christmas ones. The ones we have right now aren't for Christmas. Look at Marcia. She's done decorating and done shopping. I love it. Linda's baking cookies. Hey, Janice. Oh, God, I forgot to turn that on. Y'all, I took a peek. Christmas luncheon today. That sounds like fun. Hey, Belinda from Colorado. I'm doing awesome. I know, Linda said, push the timer button. I forgot. It's probably been long enough. Oh, the word tonight is grace. Grace. And y'all, we have new specials that started Monday, and we're dropping and adding a new special on each day. We've got transfers on sale. Today you can buy 2 pastes for the price of 1. And listen, if you're a Perks member, you get 30% off of that. It's awesome. All right. I'm going to try to take a peek. All right. I took a little tiny peek, but I'm going to show y'all. This is so pretty. Oh, making candy. That's awesome. Okay. And this is hot, so be careful. Y'all, isn't that gorgeous? And like I said, it is hot. You've had that iron on there for 360 degrees. I love it. And you see, it looks kind of dull until you heat it, and then the colors pop. And listen, like I told y'all many times, I am a bag lady. I love bags. I love giving bags. I love wrapping gifts and putting them in bags. Isn't this beautiful? It's so pretty. Now look, this would be pretty on a shirt, a sweatshirt. I'm trying to think of all the places. On a dish towel. Wouldn't this be pretty to get like a charcuterie board, a dish towel, and like some other accessories, tie a pretty bow around it, and give it to a neighbor, let me turn that off. Feels like a little heater beside me. It is gorgeous. And you get 2 to a pack. So this is the one we just used, and this is the one that hasn't been used. So you can see how the colors just kind of meld into the fabric. And anybody can do this. I mean, y'all saw how quick that was. I had to take my heat press and move it twice because it wasn't quite big enough. But I love it. Cynthia, isn't this gorgeous? All right, y'all, let me show you some of the other ones. Let's see. Okay, this one's called Turkish Tile. Yeah, and if you want to see them all, if you want to see everything that's on sale, type the word Grace and then check your messages from me. This would be free on a dish towel. And somebody was saying, do they have every day? But this looks so vibrant when you use it. Like I said, you get 2. So pot holders, think about pot holders, dish towels, that kind of stuff. And y'all, I'm a huge Dolly fan. If you love Dolly, you're going to love this. It says, what would Dolly do? Isn't that so stinking cute? I want to do me and Jenny one of these shirts. Let's see. And now this one. I don't know, do you guys collect matchbooks? Or like when you go to a restaurant and you get the little, aren't they called matchbooks? Anyway, these, I don't know if y'all have seen, these are very popular. And they're like different matchbook, hold it, covers. And I got some like little luggage tag type things to put these on. Aren't they perfect? Okay. And then, so really there's not much in here. I did get 3 more totes. Because like I said, they make great gifts. And if you're a Perks member, before you place an order, if you're not a Perks member, join for $1 and then you get 30% off your whole order. And right now, we've got flat rate shipping for a few more days. So $5 ships your order, which is awesome. And you can get as many totes as you need. But guys, I hope you love this. How many times can you iron on? I only use them once. I haven't tried to use them more than once because basically all of the ink from each sheet goes into your fabric. Like this feels smooth. So they're one-time use, but you get 2 in a pack. And they're like, you can put them on anything. You could even, if you wanted to, you could ink something on here too. But I thought this was perfect. Hey, Stacy. I see your comments. Anyway, this stuffed full of some fun treats or handmade gifts or whatever and tie a bow on it. It's like a gift with gifts within a gift. And listen, y'all, that's all I got. Wasn't that quick? So stinking fast. And look, if you're in a bind to make some gifts in a hurry, get you the heat transfers. I'm going to hop off here. I hope y'all have an awesome day, and I will see y'all soon. And listen, thanks for sprinkling. Keep sharing the love, and I will see y'all later. Bye now.